Welcome back to Crypto Journal. Today, the crypto market is in shock mode as Bitcoin and major digital assets plunge again. We are seeing massive liquidations, big swings in price, and heightened fear across markets, all triggered by fresh geopolitical tension involving the United States, Israel, and Iran. In this video, we'll break down the latest news, the real-time price movements, the reasons behind the crash, and what it could mean for traders and holders alike. Let's get into it. On February 28, 2026, the United States and Israel launched preemptive military strikes on Iran. This escalation in the Middle East has ignited intense geopolitical risk that's rippling through global markets, including cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, which many consider the king of crypto, plunged sharply as soon as the news hit, wiping out billions of dollars in market value in minutes. This event has demonstrated once again how sensitive digital asset markets can be to geopolitical headlines. After the news broke, Bitcoin dropped nearly 5% and dipped towards the $63,000 range, a level we haven't seen since early February. Traders saw over $100 million in Bitcoin long position liquidated in just 15 minutes as panic selling took over. This sharp sell-off brought Bitcoin's price down from around $65,500 to below $63,000 in minutes, demonstrating the speed at which crypto markets move when high-impact news breaks. In fact, broader reports indicate that in just 1 hour, roughly $70 to $75 billion was whipped from the total crypto market cap as leveraged positions unwound rapidly. So what's driving this brutal move? There are few key reasons. First, geopolitical risk pushed investors into what's known as risk-off sentiment. That means traders reduce exposure to volatile assets like crypto when fear spikes, and instead shift to traditional safe havens like gold, the US dollar, or government bonds. Second, crypto markets trade 24/7 unlike stock markets. So when major news break on weekends or outside normal trading hours, Bitcoin often reacts more sharply because there are no buffers from institutional markets. Third, liquidations of leveraged positions create a domino effect. When prices drop quickly, traders using borrowed funds are forced out, which pushed the price down further in a cascading chain reaction. Market fear indicators are reflecting this chaos too. The crypto fear and greed index has jumped toward extreme fear territory, signaling widespread anxiety among traders. In situations like this, short-term sentiment is overwhelmingly bearish. Technically, Bitcoin broke below key psychological levels, including $64,000 support. And now, traders are watching whether it can hold $60,000 as a line of defense. It's worth nothing that markets often overshoot during panic events, meaning prices can fall faster than fundamentals justify as traders react emotionally to headlines. In the short term, we should expect continued volatility. BTC price could continue to chop around key support levels as traders react to every new update on the conflict. If the situation escalates further, Bitcoin may revisit lower zones, possibly testing $60,000 again or even lower. But if there's news of de-escalation or calming markets, we could see snapbacks as traders buy the dip. Today's drop is primarily fear-driven, not based on the structural issues with Bitcoin's network or adoption. Zooming out to the long-term, geopolitical news has historically triggered short-term panic, but not always long-term collapse. Some past events show that after the initial shock wears off, markets can recover over time as uncertainty fades. However, the ongoing macro backdrop, including global economic policy, inflation, and institutional behavior, still plays a major role. Long-term investors must be careful, but also remember that emotional selling often presents opportunity for strategic accumulation. To summarize today's crash, Bitcoin and the broader crypto market plunged sharply due to fears sparked by US and Israel military actions against Iran. Prices dipped towards $63,000, leveraged positions were wiped out, and traders are now in caution mode. But this reaction is mostly short-term fear, not necessarily a change in long-term fundamentals. If you want real-time charts and up-to-date news headlines, check out the sources linked in the description. Thanks for watching Crypto Journal. Please like, subscribe, and comment below with your take. Do you think this is just a panic sell-off or the start of something bigger? Thank you.